Get him. She's like, I don't even care. I want the ball. Okay, never mind. I'm coming back for you.
What are you going to eat?
I don't know, baby.
Did you buy a meal?
No, I have stuff at home. Hi, baby. Hi. I see you want to boil some water for me? Oh, yeah.
Not to boil water in.
Okay, I'll cut. Mac and cheese. We got Windsor with a white neck, and then we've got Willow, our girl, there at the bottom.
You'll have to wash his hands.
Okay. Get her! Get her! Willow. Hi, girl. Hey, baby. Hey, boy. Hi. Get him. Hey. Don't be so mean. I'm not taking nothing from her now. She was beating him up earlier. He's going after her now. That's yeah, they're so cute. I love siblings. Alright. Oh, hi, baby. Okay, don't lick the phone. Willow. Hi, girl. Willow. Come here. Hey, don't attack my feet, silly. Ah! Hi, Willow. Oh, okay, now you got your brother started. Windsor. Hi, Windsor. Willow. Get him. Get him. She likes going underneath the table.